number of digits in RHS exceeds number of zeros in the base. So generally when you are doing the base method, in case this situation happens, what to do? Number of digits in RHS exceeds the number of zeros in the base. As compared to the previous chapter or previous topic, for example, let us take base is 1000, base 1000, and the question is we need to multiply 950 into same. Let's take 950. So here is the base is 1000 and come to the 950, it is 50 less. Okay, so that's why minus 50 I wrote. And second one also 50 less to the base 1000. Then as per the method, number of digits in RHS actually is the base 1000. No, it's supposed to be only 3 decimal places, 3 digits only we need to fill in this. So but 50 into 50, minus to minus plus, 50 into 50 is 2500. 50 into 50 is 2500. So 0 0 5. To keep the 2, no place here. So this 2, whatever 2 you can keep like this. And when you come to subtract this second step, 950 minus 50 is 900. Till here is 900. Then when you're writing the final answer, this which is extra, that should be carried to the this place. So 902500. Compulsory, this step is important. Number of zeros, how many are there? That many digits only should be in the RHS. In case if it exceeds, that units, tens, 100, the 1000 place to the carry to the next one, next set. Okay, this is one example. See once one more. In case if it is more, like same base 1000 question, the problem is 1200 multiply with 1020. Okay, so in this case, this both numbers are near to the base 1000. When you come to this first number, it is 200 more. So plus 200, this is 20 more compared to the 1000. Then as per the rule, 20 into 200. So actually this is 1000 as the base. Only 1, 2, 3 place only should be filled. But 20 into 200 into 20. So to the 4, okay, 4000. So 0 0 0 and 4 should be carry over to the next set. Next set is with this step. Okay, 1200 plus 20. So 1220. That means 1220 plus this 4. So 1224 now. Whatever this extra coming, you can carry to the next. And 3 zeros as it is. So 12,24,000 is the answer. Let's take one small example, like base 100. Take one question. To the base 100, okay, 112 into 110. Just note of so many steps. Just keep in mind, this is 12 plus 12, it is plus 10. Immediately 12 into 10. So it's supposed to be 120, but because of base 100, no, just keep in mind this one. When you are adding this number, 112 plus 10, so 122. This should be carried to this number, 122 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, again next to 2, 0. Compulsory, according to the base number of zeros, that many steps only should be in RHS. If it exceeds, you can carry to the previous, to the LHS. Right? Even some bigger number, like base 4 zeros, that means 10,000. The base is 10,000. No? Now question is 9,200 times same 9,200 in case. Okay, in this example, this is 800 less to the 10,000. Is 800 less to the 10,000. Because of 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 only should be in RHS. But 800 into 800 is 64, then 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 64. So 6,40,000, no? So this 64 should be added to the previous. That means when you subtract this, 9,200 minus 800. So 8,400. Right, 8,400 plus 64. So 8,464. Again, this 4 zeros will attach. Okay, so this is the number. This is the answer for this. So 9200 into 9200. You can use this base method only this in this situation. In case number of digits in RHS exceeds the number of zeros in the base. So this carry over to the LHS, this method only you can observe. In case very few cases, the number is close to the base as well as the exceeds. So you can apply this method.